Okay, this is for T-Square Properties, for the owner of T-Square. So billing's going to go through T-Square. It's going to be a patch, crack fill, seal stripe. So we're going to itemize that out into 3 separate sections. They're likely going to perform the asphalt and the crack filling now and then seal it next year. So also they want a separate bid for the private road. I'll show you, but let's get started. Patch number 1 is just a little 1x3 under my rear tire. Patch 2 starts right by the back of the car, and the other corner is right there. There's my car for reference, and it goes all the way down here to the light post. Figure 1/2 inch of rock allowance. Now while we're down here, 2 things. 1, we'll talk staging. We can stage at the bottom of the hill there on the side of the road. We'll have to get the roller and the paver up the hill. And the second thing, unrelated, is they want to budget number bid on an actual bid to repave this private road here from the bottom of the hill up. Thickened edge on both sides. Now, while we're down here, we have an invisible fence line, so make sure that the guys are careful when they're jackhammering it up for that reason. And then we do have thickened edge on portion of this as well. We've got about 5 feet of thickened edge at the bottom there, and then more on the top. I'll measure it out as we go. And it looks like the thickened edge goes all the way. It's just covered by debris. So we are a 10 by 90, figure 90 feet of thickened edge, attached to a 16 by 25, attached to a 35 by 16. We're also going to remove this 5 by 6 section of concrete, figure probably 5 inches on average, and we're going to add that into our pave. So I'm going to bring it back around and tie into this concrete. That's section 2. Section 3 is a little 8 by 8 right here. We'll need about inch of rock or so. And then let's bid this at 2.5 inch R&R. Crack filling is going to be for everything else up here. You can see we're not taking out. So let's see here. Let's do 150 feet of crack filling. It's going to include the areas by the front of my car, and we'll do that on asphalt day. For the seal coat, I'll measure it up for you, but we're going to need to pressure wash first. Figure 6 hours of pressure washing, and then seal stripe. And I'll get you a 46 by 63, 50 by 40, and 11 by 105 for the seal coat. Ending at the seam right here, and yeah, there you have it. You should be able to see this from Earth. I was able to see it. You should be able to see the street light here as our ending point. So just get a quick measurement on that. 2.5 out, 3 in on that. Thickened edge on both sides, and it's pretty bumpy. A 1 inch average rock allowance on that. Rock, excavate, rock, grade one day, pave the next.